Hi traders, it's Alberto, and this is the live video for the FX1 trend indicator. These are the trades that were taken starting from Friday, coming into today, and we still have some open positions. We had one loss on pound USD. I should have gotten out of that trade because I saw that it was breaking below the black arrow, which is the indicator, trend indicator. And I stayed in. I didn't get out, and now it's going back up. So that would have been would be in positive right now, but I didn't exit that trade. Anyway, as part of trading, so these are the open positions right now. And the reason I'm taking so many trades is I want to make sure this trade indicator is working properly, and so also I'm exiting early, because I'm taking so many trades. So anywhere from 20, 30 pips, I'll exit the trade. So let's go to the charts and just review how to place these trades. Okay, we have a buy signal on pound yen, so I'm going to place a trade right now on this one. And I'll show you a trick on how to take these trades. Is the signal does paint when the candle closes. I'm sorry, I had mentioned to some people that it paints maybe when it goes halfway or when it breaks the support. No, actually it has to close the candle. This is a 15-minute chart. The candle has to close. It'll print an entry. Now, what I do, very important, if you get a signal with a large candle like this, do not enter the trade at the top. This is 80 pips. Wait for price to come back down 50%. This was a better entry. I took the trade now because I was away from the computer. But this is a better entry down here, and you would be up like 30 or 40 pips right now. Okay, so very important. When you see a trade, a signal to buy, and the candle is about 80 pips, don't take the trade. Wait for the market to come back down before you enter the trade. Okay, so that's the first rule for trading this indicator. Let's look at some trades that were taken. Pound New Zealand. This was an excellent trade because it was at the top of the Bollinger Band. Gave us a nice tweezer top, railroad tracks, indecision candle, indecision candle. Let me make this just a little bit bigger. And we know from trading Forex, if you know your candlestick patterns, when you have indecision candle and the next candle closes below the indecision candle, you take the trade. And the indicator generated a sell trigger right when that candle closed. So we're up on this trade right now. Okay, so knowing candlestick patterns, very important to optimize this trading software. Okay, let's see what we can find here. Was a sell, an evening star, and price triggered a sell, and this thing went down quite a bit. Okay, so knowing your candlestick patterns, very important. Now we'll be sending emails, videos on how to identify. There are 8 major candlestick patterns that if you use them with this FX1 trend indicator, you should do well. You should have more profitable trades and very small losses. I wanted to take a trade on gold, but the markets are closed. Gold is not open at the moment, so this is a nice setup right here, and it went up quite a bit, and now it's hitting that Bollinger Band, and this is where I would exit the trade. Okay. CAD, again, here's CAD yen. It generated a buy signal, but then it came back down, so I entered the market again. So I'm up on one position and about close to break even on the other. So let's see how this continues through the night. We should be up on Canadian yen. Had a great trade on Euro CAD. Actually, I exited this trade too early. Here was the signal at the top of the Bollinger Band, and here's the trigger to enter a trade. And I just got out of this trade, I think. Let's look. Euro Aussie. Yeah, I did exit that trade. So that was, I think I exited right here at the bottom. So this is about 25 pips I exit out of this trade. Again, I'm placing many trades to make sure that this trend indicator is working properly and there are more profits than losses. Okay, so let's go. I'm going to close out on pound New Zealand, even though I know it should continue to go south, but I have too many positions open, so I'll close that for 20 pips. And I'll close Aussie USD, and I'll close 1 CAD Yen. Okay, so let's look at the account history and look at all the trades that were taken from Friday. We had several trades. We had one loss on pound dollar, and then another again here, 2 losses, and we had quite a few wins. This indicator is excellent. This is when I started trading the indicator right here on the 8th. Okay, and this one was actually a manual trade. It wasn't on the indicator. These trades up here were not on the indicator. Actually, I started trading it late on Friday, and these were the trades. So if you purchase the trend indicator, you will receive updates as far as how to trade, candlestick patterns, how to optimize. I will be. You can also contact me if you have problems with trading this software. Just email me, and we can meet one-on-one on Skype for 5 minutes and see what is going on with the trading. But I'm very happy and excited about this indicator that we developed, and I hope you can join. Just purchase. Go to our website. It should be posted on this YouTube video, and start making some decent money in Forex. Thanks for watching the video, and have a good week trading.